to Mary Ellen here, and I'm Urbis, so excited to let you know about my new meditation course, Mnátra Meditation. Come join me as I set up here in the Irish Cultural Centre for this beautiful 6-week course. Imagine a world where you harness your inner feminine wisdom. Mná is the Irish word for women. However, I don't want you to think that this course is not for all genders. Within Mnátra meditation, you will go on a journey of self-discovery, home, abhaile, to find your instinctual self-trust and self-love within your own Cree heart. Whether you identify as he, she, or they, Mnátra meditation is for you, as we all have feminine energy inside of us. Mnátra meditation is my unique method that draws from both Indian and Irish culture and spirituality. Many of you will be familiar with the word mantra, which is an Indian word which means a sacred sound or utterance. So Mnátra meditation is the same type of meditation. We go inward using the soothing sound of a mantra. I call it Mnátra because the sounds that we use in my meditation method are actually Gaeilge in the Irish language. Because did you know that the Irish language is actually as potent and ancient as Indian Sanskrit? During this course, you will learn my very simple 3-step method of meditation. Each week, I will start the 45-minute session with Mnáology, one of my tales that is rooted in Irish mythology, but with an emphasis on the feminine landlore and on the Irish goddesses. You will learn about Boann, Macha, Maeve, the Morrigan, and Cailleach, and of course, Breach. Out of the ancient tales come these sacred sounds, as Gaeilge, and we use those sacred sounds, those beautiful soothing Irish words, to guide us inward in the meditation, for that is the purpose of a mantra. Mantra in Sanskrit means mind tool, and this course I interweave psychology and mythology. Here, as a community, we will meditate together, and there is so much power in coming together and feeling that energy, particularly in these dark times. Many of us feel bullied into believing that masculine energy is the only way to pursue our dreams or to have purpose or to achieve goals. However, if we go back into ourselves and back into the ancient world, we can find feminine wisdom that can help us live our lives in a much kinder fashion. And that is how I will end each session of my meditation, in manifesting. You've probably heard of manifesting. Well, I am taking the man out just for now and putting in that feminine energy, and we will sit Lekela here together and manifest our kindest future, a future that is steeped in community and self-compassion and creativity.